Namaste, my name is Nashka Basumande. Today, I would like to discuss how to deepen our religiosity and be more liberal. A question arises in the minds of modern men and women. The different religions profess different doctrines, most of which are scientifically unattainable. It is probable that all religions are in error. So, what is the utility of such religions in modern days? The real religion is not just praying to God or to the saints or fasting to obtain the divine grace. It is not the reading and comprehension of holy books. It is not assimilating certain religious doctrines. Either it is striving to get the ultimate truth and living those truths sincerely till they become integrated with one's life. It is supersensuous and its basic truths cannot be verified through reasoning. So, the highest type of religion belongs to the domain of the unknown and unknowable. These truths are unknowable because the human mind ceases to operate at the level we are hinting at. Yet, they can be made more than known by raising the mind to superconsciousness. This world, which is tangible, which is evident, and which can be seen and measured, is only a small projection of what is unknown and beyond. So, to explain this world, we must look to what is beyond the plane of the senses. Those who talk about utility should know that man's intellectual pleasure is higher than the pleasure of eating, drinking, and money making. And the pleasure which is obtained by moving from consciousness to superconsciousness is the most intense pleasure known to man. So, therein lies the utility of the religion. Apart from this consideration, the nature of man's mind is such that it cannot help probing into the beyond. Since the dawn of civilization, man has looked into this world and asked, when and how all these things have come. This attempt to probe into the unknown cannot be erased away from man's mind. Since there are so many religions who are often competing with one another, what solution is there for religious harmony among these varying groups? Can we think of a set of universal doctrines which would be acceptable to all? Such an idea is not workable. Can we think of some universal methodology to be incorporated in religions? This is also impossible. Neither can we think of some universal rituals to be followed by all religions. So, what is the way out? The solution lies in the universality of attitude towards the religion. Though all the modes of religions, each sect, each religion, each nation or tribe is trying in its own way to move towards the unknowable. All philosophies are trying to comprehend the ultimate truth. If you recognize this fact, then you have sympathy instead of antipathy towards alien religions. One must understand that the same truth may be expressed in thousands of different ways. The idea is a basic postulate in Jainism. The same truth may be seen variously from different standpoints. Now, these views will be naturally different, though the goal is the same. And at the same time, we must also note that there are viewpoints which are nearer to the truth than the others. And so, these viewpoints have a special value. Yet, all viewpoints are related to the same goal. If one considers this point deeply, then the quarrel and bitterness which exists in interreligious and intra-religious domains will be much mitigated. This is the only way by which we can deepen our religious search and at the same time become more and more liberal. Thank you.